Dear audience, good evening. Today's topics we discuss West Bengal political landscape, running political landscape. Based on recent electoral developments and historical political pattern, a comprehensive, simple analysis of West Bengal political situation, such as strength, uh, institutional democratic framework, such as high voter participation, 79.6% turnout in 2024 Lok Sabha elections, demonstrates reversed elect democratic engagement, competitive electoral process, multiple parties actively contest, ensuring choice for voters, peaceful transfer of power despite tensions, constitutional mechanisms facilitate BJP's first state government formation. Political maturity, evolved political consciousness, three distinct political eras, uh, Congress to left front to TMC. So, electorate's willingness to evaluate alternatives, a strong civil society, history of land reform movements, trade union activism, and public protest indicates engaged citizenry. Media pluralization, pluralism, increasingly competitive media environment provides diverse viewpoints. Governance potential, national integration, BJP's victory alliance state with central government. Point to be noted. BJP's victory alliance state with central government, potentially improving coordination on development projects. Infrastructure investment, new administration promises focused development initiatives. Law and order focus, BJP's state priority addresses long-standing governance concerns. Now, weaknesses such as post-election instability, violence and unrest. At least 4 fatalities in post-election clashes, BJP aided shoot date according to the Guardian, May 7, 2026. Security challenges, authorities struggling to contain violence between rival supporters. Legal challenges, TMC mounting legal and street level challenges to election results. Political polarization, identity politics, a deep division between Bengali pride narratives and nationalist identity frameworks. Regional versus national tension, 15-year TMC dominance created a strong regional loyalty that now faces resistance. Trust deficits, opposition alleges electoral irregularities, eroding confidence in democratic institutions. And administrative transition issue, governance vacuum, power transition period creates uncertainty in policy continuity. Bureaucratic resistance, long serving TMC aligned administration may resist new leadership. Service delivery disruption, essential service potentially affected during political turmoil. opportunities. Economic development, central state coordination. BJP lead government at both levels could accelerate infrastructure projects and investment. Business confidence, political stability ons ahead may attract private sector investment. Policy consistency, reduced friction between state and center on regulatory matters. Central and state policy reduce the gap. New governance model, fresh administrative process could address long-standing issues. Youth engagement, younger voters may embrace new political narratives and development agendas. Social integration, reduce isolation, breaking TMC's Fortress Bengal narrative could improve inter-state relations. National programs, better alignment with central welfare schemes and development initiatives. Culture bridge, potential to balance Bengali identity with broader Indian nationalism. Threats, political violence escalation, communal tensions, such as identity-based polarization could intensify if not managed carefully. Opposition resistance, TMC's grassroots mobilization may continue challenging BJP authority. Precedent settings, template for difficult states, where regional parties resist national power. For frontline analysis, institutional erosion, democratic norms, the Hindu editorial warns of significant erosion of democracy in Bengal. Electoral credibility, allegations of irregularities could undermine faith in election commission. Federal balance, central government dominance may weaken state autonomy traditions. Social fragmentation, regional backlash. A strong Bengali identity politics could fuel resistance to outsider governance. Minority concerns, BJP's Hindu nationalist platform may alienate Muslim population. Significant demographic. Urban-rural divide, different voting patterns could deepen geographic polarization. Economic risk, investment hesitation, political instability may deter business during transition period. Development delays, ongoing conflicts could postpone infrastructure and welfare projects. Resource allocation, political priorities may override economic efficiency considerations. Key insights such as historical context we are well known. West Bengal political evolution reflects India's broader democratic maturation. The 15-year TMC regime, 2011 to 2026, represented the most formidable regional challenge to national parties, making this BJP victory particularly significant for Indian federalism, federalism. Critical challenges ahead: managing transition, ensuring peaceful consolidation on BJP power while respecting democratic opposition, balancing identities, reconciling Bengali regional pride with national integration narratives, delivering governance, converting electoral mandate into tangible development outcomes, healing divisions, addressing post-election violence, and rebuilding social cohesion. Strategic implications. This shift establishes a template for BJP expansion into other difficult states with strong regional parties, potentially reshaping India's political geography. However, success depends on whether BJP can govern inclusively or merely impose majoritarian rule. Sources: The Guardian, May 4 to 7, running 2026. NPR, May 4. Al Jazeera, May 6. Frontline, Business Standard, The Hindu, The Daily Star. Tomorrow we'll discuss in recent electoral mechanism, specific policy implications, or comparative analysis with other Indian states between West Bengal states political culture and electoral post and pre. Thank you so much.